Hey, let me tell you a quick story. I was this guy who had several businesses. I'd worked hard, I'd built it up, I'd done a lot of things, and then things collapsed in the economy, and boom, businesses went to hell. So I went back to school. I achieved my goals. I went back to school. I started working, and I earned, a bachelor's degree, two master's degrees, even a doctorate in business. All of it focused in software technology and information systems. Well, you know what just happened recently in the last few months? If you ain't paid attention, the industry is collapsing. Okay, there's a lot of reasons why this is happening, but ultimately you're seeing tons and tons and tons of layoffs. I kind of fell into that window where the team that I was on here in this small town just got basically outsourced, and I honestly don't blame them. It makes sense. You can get it so much cheaper outside the country than paying American workers, in the tech industry. But sadly, that meant that years of work, years of dedication, years of time and training, are going to be incredibly hard to market in a small town. So I knew I had to make some big changes. Well, on top of that, I also had the opportunity to get out on some sailboats over the last couple years, and I love it. Okay, I absolutely love the freedom of being on a sailboat, and I learned about the cruising lifestyle and living on a boat and traveling the world. And you don't even have to leave the United States. Did you know you could just do the Great Loop and just kind of loop around for a couple of years at a time? Fabulous time. But anyway, I knew I wanted to live that kind of life. I knew I had to work remotely and online to do that. There's a big war going on right now with working remotely. I had to do something. So I started exploring options, and I came across affiliate marketing. And there's a lady out there that I'm really impressed with that just has done amazing with this. She's doing, like $4,000 or $5,000 a week, $12,000, $13,000 a month sometimes. It's just crazy. I had to know more. So I've dug in, I've learned more, and I put it together in my free book. Look, get the link in the description. Check that ebook out. Get you started.